What's going on, guys? 307 here. David, I got your 8 pill fixed here. You ended up popping that pill. I replaced that 10 ohmer and then that 100 ohmer there. Anyway, I got it hooked to the 2950 DX6 5-watt slug in reverse. Show you pass-through tune. Audio. We're gonna put Hello 307. 3 watt swinging about 85 audio 307 into this 8 pill input tune audio right about half a watt is what we're getting out. Audio test 307 average audio test 1 2 307. That dead key's kind of low, turned up just a bit. See if we can bring that average up. Audio 307. Not bad for just a radio drive. And that is on 14 volts. Turn it up a little bit. It should be closer to 14.5. Audio test 307, so right about 850, 900, audio 307. There it is. Thanks, David.